Okay, so hi everyone. We are going to learn how to create an APIs in Golang, as well as we'll see how to integrate that APIs into the front end. Okay, in this series. For front end, we will use React.js. Okay, and in this video, we'll just set up our project for APIs. Okay, as well as we'll install some required packages of Go. Okay, and one thing is, in this series we will use a Mongodb as a database. Okay, so but one thing is here, I will recommend to everyone, if you know the basic of Go, then you can watch this video. Otherwise, you should learn the basic of Go, then come back and we'll see, and you can see the videos. Okay, so let's start the to set up a project. So I am in already my Golang folder. So first we need to create a one folder for our project. So I am going to create that folder by the name of Go Learn. Okay. Yeah. So we need to go inside that folder. Yeah, I am inside that folder. So I have some Go packages here. We should use this. Okay. So first command is, we have to we need a mod file here. Okay, so let me tell you what for what we will use that mod file. Okay, so it's a dependency requirement file. Okay, in this file I will define the module path, which is also the important path used to for the root directory. So yeah, and you can replace any name here. Okay, or you can keep this name. I'm just initializing my repo name here. Okay, and you can keep any name to repository. So I am going to give name Go Learn. Okay. Yeah, and we will create this mod file successfully. If you want to see, yeah, you can see here. After that, we will going to use the gene, and you know what is the gene. The gene is the Ghost framework. Okay, so in this series we will going to use gene here. To set up the gene, we have this command. Okay, so I am just going to run this command, and this will take some time. It will take some time. For now it's done, and accordingly our requirement, we are going to use Mongodb. So we have to install Mongo drivers. So Go provided some drivers here. Yeah, I'm going to, yeah, successfully, and this package will use only for the environment file setup. Yeah, we will successfully done this, and just open the code editor here. Yeah, so here you can see our Go file, and you can see here our all dependencies. You can see here. Okay, so to run our first program in Go, we need a main file. So we are going to main.go. Yeah, so we have main.go. You can see. So first we have to import the package main, and then function main. Okay, and we'll just print a simple message. Yeah, fmt.println hello Go. Okay, and we'll just run this. Go run main.go. This is the command to run the Go files. You can, yeah. So that's it for this video, and next video we'll see how to we'll create the first root directories there. Some directories, like we are going to use repositories and services, controller, middlewares. So in next video we will set up that things. Okay. Bye bye for this video.